Okay, so today we are going to be working on getting the Subaru set up with some speakers. So we had bought some DS18s for the front. Those should be bolted up really easily. And then we bought some 4-inch DS18s for the rear, but they're a little bit different. They require a little plate and everything to work with it, but we decided to use our 3D printer, useful, and we printed some actual adapters. And these adapters will help get it actually to bolt up properly on there. And while we're at it, we decided to print up some 6.5 adapters for the fronts. Now, I did run out of some PET G, so I did have to go and improvise and use a orange color instead of the black because I have been using it for some other stuff. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a different video as we work through some of the 3D printing that we're doing to organize our life. And that'll be a video coming out later on that you guys will see. So let's get started on this. We're gonna start with the back doors. We're gonna start working on getting the back panel, this bad boy right here, get this all taken apart. This is the worst out of them. It is a bit chilly out today, so we are gonna start trying to get this done. Hopefully it warms up a little bit while we're working on this, but we're gonna get this panel off, get that replaced, and hopefully we can start making it sound a little bit better so it's not popping and sound like crap. So while we get some of our tools that we're gonna need for this project, let me kind of show you guys something. So before, my toolbox was like this. It's still a mess. I'm still working through it, but typically it's just got thrown all together. Since we've got the 3D printer, we are still organizing, but we have been basically organizing all of our wrenches, all of our picks. This is all the Gridfinity stuff. This here was usually just a mess drawer, but we've got all these little Gridfinity boxes now that we have a little place for some of our connectors, resistors, Loctite, razors, all that kind of stuff. And then this here we still have to build out. This is going to be some of our bits and everything else that'll be stacked on top of each other for some other stuff. So yeah, we actually have some Gridfinity stuff in here and have this all organized now. And I know it's not 100% done, but we have like the ratchets and all that kind of stuff, extensions, Torx, whatnot. So not exactly 100% sure everything we're going to need for this, but it looks like I know for sure we're going to need a Phillips. And I know we got to pop this cover off here, which actually, let's do that real quick. Yep, Phillips. Like the plate that's on there might actually work already, so we might just try to use that, but yep, that's pretty much bad. So here's the new ones, DS18 Pro X4s, and just toss that down there. They come in black or red. I know you're not really gonna see it, but I typically like to go with the red just because I like the way it looks. But about the same design. Push on the cone, you can hear that it's not scraping like the other one. Magnet is a little bit bigger on this one compared to this one, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna be way louder. This is a 160 watt music power, 40 watt normal. These are 100 watts normal, 200 watts maximum. So yeah, definitely more bang for the buck on this little bad boy compared to this one. Okay, so I can't show you guys the clip of that because copyright issues. So we're gonna get this all put back together. The speaker does work, sounds amazing. Get the other ones done. So stick around. Okay, let's see how to pull this apart now. Really wish I knew what plastic pry bars were. panels off. Now, that is disgusting. It's like, dang. It's like, what the hell? Like, use wood screws, really? They legit use wood screws. If you're not gonna do it right, don't do it. I understand improvising sometimes, but really, wood screws? Come on. There. Actually, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. There. Now, picked up some, had these in the garage. Bought them a while ago. Wasn't sure what I was going to use them for, but just some regular little machine type screws. Metal screws that we're going to use for this. Dude, this is like actually crazy. This is like meant for this.
Your dog.
What you doing, baby girl? Huh? What you doing, baby girl?
No good like excuse me. Like, don't forget about me.
I hear you, Nova girl.
Here.
Huh? Did you just say you're hot? Yeah. It's nice out here.
I know, that's why I'm standing here with the door open. Looks like I can smell.
Still girl. No. Just because I'm saying Stella girl doesn't mean that you need to try to get out.
He's like, well, yeah, it does, Dad. You just don't know it yet.
Okay, so I'm going to get this finished up. I'm going to let you guys go, and once we're all done, we'll wrap it up and finish this video up. This was the quick install for us to get these speakers installed and get the sound system going, because you guys all know me. I love my audio. So stay safe out there. Have fun. Peace.